Introduction of organization. MobileNet Services is a leading information technology services provider committed to delivering innovative technological solutions across industries, with a focus on revolutionizing IT landscapes and addressing the dynamic demands of modern businesses. MobileNet Services' mission is to provide unparalleled IT solutions that empower businesses to thrive in the rapidly evolving digital ecosystem. They are dedicated to excellence, offering innovative, reliable, and sustainable technological services that drive organizational growth. MobileNet Services envision itself as a trailblazer in the IT domain, leading the way with transformative solutions that reshape industries. Their goals is to empower clients to achieve strategic objectives through technology-driven initiative. MobileNet Services offer a comprehensive suite of IT services, including software development, system integration, project management, and consultancy. They focus on delivering tailor-made solutions to diverse industry verticals such as finance, marketing, logistics, research, and customer service. Next, we move on to the identifications of problem. MobileNet Services Company is currently grappling with a staff distribution system that severely undermines its operational efficiency and stunts its growth potential. The reliance on an outdated combination of Excel and manual filing methods proved to be highly inefficient, particularly in the allocations of employees. The system's inefficiencies, including frequent mismatch in project assignments, lead to disruption, delays, and underutilization of workforce capabilities. Next is the absence of a centralized management system. The company's dependence on manual allocation and fragmented processes without a cohesive central system introduce confusion, delays, and errors in assigning personnel to projects. This compromises operational fluidity, adversely affecting project timelines and optimal workforce orchestration. Furthermore, the deficient data management and tracking in MobileNet Services Company's current system hinder effective human resource management by impeding the monitoring of employee skills, experience, and project assignments. This lack of clarity in resource allocation results in duplicate efforts, misplacement of talent, and oversight, significantly impacting project outcomes. In addition, MobileNet Services Company faces a significant challenge due to limited visibility into ongoing projects and employee commitments, hindering decision-making processes and strategic planning. The lack of transparency results in inefficiencies, missed opportunities, and inability to dynamically optimize the workforce. And then, MobileNet Services Company faces an elevated risk due to the reliance on manual processes, leading to increased human error across operations. This error impact employee assignments, project tracking, project deliverable quality, client satisfaction, and overall company performance and reputation in the industry. Lastly, MobileNet Services Company faces limitation in its current system ability to handle growth and expanding workforce. The Excel-based and manual filing system struggles to scale, acting as a bottleneck to the company's growth potential. Without a system capable of accommodating increased complexities, the company encounters impediments to expansion within the competitive market landscape. Recommendation to overcome problems. To overcome limitation in its current system, MobileNet Services is strongly recommended to implement Microsoft Access as a comprehensive database solution. This strategic move aims to revolutionize MobileNet Services data management, centralizing information and providing a structured platform for organizing employee data, skill set, and project details. First recommendation is tables. Tables are fundamental in Microsoft Access, serving as the backbone of efficient data organization. They provide a structured framework for storing and managing data, ensuring consistency and reducing redundancy. Tables enable the creation of relationship between different datasets, fostering a relational database model. This relational structure facilitates complex queries, enhancing data retrieval and analysis. Importantly, tables in Microsoft Access contribute to data integrity as they enforce rules and constraints, preventing inconsistencies. With their role in maintaining organized and interconnected data, tables are crucial for creating a solid foundation that empower users to build comprehensive database, optimize data management, and derive meaningful insights. As you guys can see in the picture, the table 1 is project table in Design View. The project table in MobileNet Services database is integral for comprehensive project management. Beyond fundamental field, it includes critical data such as client name, client contact person, and contact person email, facilitating seamless communication. The table utilizes shortcut for these client-related details, data or time data types for start date and end dates, along with a progress field using the lookup wizard, offer a clear snapshot of project statuses. The project cost field employing the currency data types aids in financial management. The table relational structure, particularly its link with the employee table via the employee ID fields, enable efficient resource allocation and streamline project monitoring. Microsoft Access optimizes data organization, enhancing accessibility and promoting operational efficiency in MobileNet Services project management. Next, Table 2 shown Employee Table in Design View. The Employee Table in MobileNet Services Microsoft Access database is meticulously designed with 14 fields, each assigned a specific data type for efficient data organization. The primary key, employee ID, ensure data integrity and unique identification. Its relational significance is highlighted as a foreign key when linked to the project table, enabling seamless project association. Diverse data types cater to various fields, optimizing storage and retrieval efficiency. The structure design combined with access relational capabilities facilitated connectivity between tables, enhancing project monitoring, resource allocation, and managerial oversight. The adoption of Microsoft Access and the structured employee table centralized data, streamline accessibility, and foster a more dynamic and efficient workflow within MobileNet services.
A query is a tool that allows you to ask the database a question and retrieve specific information based on specified criteria. It helps in sorting, filtering, and analyzing data from tables, providing a way to extract relevant information efficiently. The completed or under review OR query in MobileNet service quickly gets specific project details based on criteria. It focuses on the progress field in the project table and uses the OR operator. This query is highly recommended in MNS for a categorized overview of projects at different stages. The Employee's ID 01AA or 02BB OR query in MNS extracts project details based on employee's ID using the OR operator. Executing the query retrieves 6 results for projects linked to employees 01AA or 02BB. The recommendation to use the query in MobileNet service is strong for a targeted view of project linked to the specific employees. The employees with joining date before 2020 or salary over RM250,000 OR query in MNS uses the OR operator to filter employee details based on specific criteria. Executing the query yields 7 results showcasing employee records meeting conditions of joining before January 1, 2020 or having a salary over RM250,000. The query facilitates targeted analysis, improving resource allocation, and offering insights for strategic HR planning and performance evaluation in MNS. The multi-table report with inner join query in MNS combines employee and project data for a comprehensive overview. Executing the query generates a detailed report showing association between employees and projects, aiding managerial oversight. The employees with salary over RM200,000 in IT department or holding managerial position query in MobileNet service extracts records based on salary and position criteria. Executing the query produces a concise result set with 2 records of employees meeting specified conditions. The query is crucial for pinpointing individuals meeting dual conditions of high salary and specific job roles. The total salary expense group by department query in MobileNet service analyze and summarize salary expenses for each department using the group by function. The executed query provides a clear breakdown of total salary expenses for different departments. The query is significant for understanding the financial commitments to each department, facilitating strategic planning and identifying areas for cost optimization.
Microsoft Access forms act like a user-friendly screen for your database data. They improve data entry, boost user experience, enhance functionality with features like filtering, offer custom view, and streamline workflow. MNS leverage custom Microsoft Access form to transform data management from tedious to intuitive. This form, like the employee, project, and project report form, cater to specific workflow and provide user-friendly interface for data entry, analysis, and decision-making. The employee form within the MobileNet service MNS database is a game changer for human resource management. It serves as a central hub for all employee-related information, making it easy to input, store, and retrieve critical details. With dedicated field for specific data like employee ID, first name, last name, department, position, and more, the form facilitates the comprehensive collection of critical employee information. Buttons like print and search make the form even more useful and easy to use, letting you navigate records, add or remove entries, and update information quickly, empowering HR professionals to easily manage employee information. For the project form offers a user-friendly interface that incorporates various fields tailored to capture essential project-related data. This field including project ID, project name, client, employee ID, project cost, dates, and more, collectively facilitate comprehensive documentation and organization of project-specific. Overall, the project form user-friendly design and comprehensive functionality make it an indispensable tool for managing and monitoring projects within M&S. It simplifies data entry, ensure project details are well documented, facilitate resource allocation, and foster effective communication. The M&S project report form offers a multifaceted view of project data through 3 dedicated tabs, which is Client, Employee, and Report. The Client tab acts like a grouping project details by a client for focused analysis. This lets you easily review project ID, name, cost, timeline, progress, and contact information, all filtered by a specific client. For Employee tab, it gathers project details like ID, name, client, cost, timeline, and progress, but filters them based on a specific employee. This lets you access workload distribution, individual performance, and project involvement with easy. For Report tab, it gathers data sliced by its client, employee, and any custom parameter and generate insightful report. Whether you need to track progress, evaluate performance, or find improvement areas, this tab has the lens to reveal it all. It's your decision-making powerhouse, guiding you towards strategic choice and project success.
Report in Microsoft Access serves as a crucial means to view, format, and summarize information stored within the database. To harness this tool, it is essential to acquire fundamental skills in report creation. These involve exploring features like sorting, grouping, and summarizing data to organize information. Additionally, gaining an understanding of how to preview and print reports ensures the efficient communication of data insight. The Microsoft Excel Report View at MobileNet Services offers an easily navigable overview of project and employee data through a well-organized structure. Optimized queries and VBA automation enhance performance and efficiency through regular maintenance, integration with other tools, and version control. The report view serves as a centralized resource for effective decision-making and strategic planning at M&S. The MobileNet Services database provides a wealth of information about projects and employees. This report focuses on 2 key reports: the completed or under review report and the Employees ID 01AA or 02BB report. The completed or under review report shows the status of all projects, whether they are completed or under review. This is helpful for project managers and stakeholders to track progress and make decisions about resource allocation. The Employees ID 01AA or 02BB report focuses on 2 specific employees and shows their involvement in different projects. This is helpful for HR and project management to assess workload distribution, progress monitoring, and employee contribution. This report provides valuable insight into the MobileNet Services database that can be used to improve project management, resource allocation, and employee performance. The High Salary and IT or Manager report tells us about employees who earn a lot, more than 200,000 ringgit, or have important roles in IT or management. It introduces people like John, a manager in HR earning 320,000 ringgit, and Emily, IT developer making 218,000 ringgit. This report helps making decisions about these valuable employees and plan for the future. Similarly, the multi-table report puts together information from different places, showing how employees and projects are connected. It is clearly reveals the complex web of engagement. The report becomes a valuable tool for analyzing across departments, managing resources, and making informed decisions. This gives a complete picture of how employees contribute and how projects work in the MobileNet Services database.
For relationship, this diagram shows the relationship between employee and project. One employee can work on many projects, but each project belongs to only one employee. This link ensures accurate data, easy retrieval, and deeper analysis, making the whole database run smoothly and efficiently. In the conclusion, Microsoft Access within M&S empower efficient data management, data-driven decision-making, and collaborative workflow process. ultimately contributing to organizational success and improved performance. Mobile Net Services (MNS) database is essential for organizational success because it provides comprehensive report and well-defined relationship between data, allowing for effective management, strategic decision, and optimized resource allocation. It offers insight into individual and team performance, helps understand the value of different roles, and facilitate cross-departmental analysis, all leading to the data-driven decision-making and a competitive advantage.